Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a frame of paper. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need one sheet of sturdy paper, like cardstock, which is perfect for holding its shape. Grab a ruler, a pencil, and some sharp scissors for precise cuts. If you want extra stability, a craft glue stick will help secure your frame. These basic items are all you need to begin crafting your beautiful paper frame today. Now, let's prepare our paper. Lay your chosen sheet flat on a clean surface. Using your ruler and pencil, carefully measure and mark a 1-inch border from all 4 edges of the paper. These light pencil lines will guide your next step. Once marked, carefully cut out the inner rectangle, leaving the 1-inch border as the foundation of your frame. This creates the opening for your picture. With your paper prepared, it's time to create the frame's structure. Carefully fold each of the 4 1-inch borders inward, aligning them perfectly with your pencil lines. Press down firmly to create crisp, sharp creases. This is key for a professional look. For extra durability, apply a tiny dab of craft glue to the overlapping corners before pressing them together. This secures the frame's shape beautifully. Congratulations, your paper frame is almost complete. If you used glue, allow it a few minutes to dry thoroughly, ensuring everything is secure. Now, gently slide your favorite photograph or a small piece of artwork into the frame's opening. The 1-inch border will beautifully highlight your chosen piece. You can now proudly display your handmade paper frame on a desk, shelf, or even attach a loop to hang it on a wall. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.